Hey Mandi maniacs! So I am going to be reviewing this right here. It's a wireless microphone. So I got it actually on Temu. I will put the link to it in the description. I also have an affiliate link which you can use to get a big discount on your first app order. Or if you re-download the app, haven't used it in a few months, and make an order, you can also use that discount code. I ordered this. Honestly, I'm not a very loud talker, and I thought this might actually help me have better audio quality. I do a lot of ASMR on my Omni condenser, my ASMR mic, but that plugs into my computer, and I'm making this on my phone, so it's kind of, it's kind of not the full-bodied ASMR mic is not really what you can use on the phone. It's only USB. So this is what it looks like. I was just thinking this through. I'm like, how am I gonna, yeah. So I'm gonna do it you guys are hearing the phone audio right now, and then you'll be able to compare, because I'm gonna come back with this audio. You know what? I don't even know if these are charged. That's gonna be a problem. Also, I don't have a headphone jack, so I think I have a headphone jack attached to my headset thing. So when I put in my earbuds into my phone, it's like a headphone jack that connects lightning. So I'm gonna go check. Alright guys, so there you have it. I tried one more thing. It doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. So whether mine got damaged in customs, I don't know. I definitely don't recommend it, since it doesn't even work, not at all. If you're looking for some kind of custom accessory, sure. But it's not a functional microphone. I don't know. Have you guys tried it? Let me know in the comments. I found it to be, obviously it couldn't be worse because it didn't work at all. I couldn't tell you audio quality, I couldn't tell you anything, because it simply just didn't work. So there's that. Yeah, I don't know. So it's an epic fail for the fact, if it doesn't work, it's a fail, right? Couldn't be worse. Obviously I don't recommend it. It said it worked for iPhone. It did not work for my iPhone, so so I would definitely not recommend this microphone. Get anything else, you have to do at least the same or better. Can't go lower than not working. So I hope you guys enjoyed the review, and that you do not make a oops order and buy that piece of plastic trash. So have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys soon. Please remember to like, follow, or subscribe. Bye!